Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are working in, this is my W126. This is my W126 that I got for less than, I think it was probably less than $700. It does have some issues, but I gotta tell you, I cannot wait to get this thing on the road. So in today's video, hopefully we're going to be adding a radio that actually works, an antenna that goes up and down, and we're going to see just what kind of a condition the fluids are in, because I want to take this car up to Mom and Tom and see what they think about this very inexpensive, very old, very cracked, but yet still very nice Mercedes. That is a backbone to something. Take another bite. Not at the camera. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to Dynamite? No way! What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out. I'm in the car.
This is the old radio that came with the car. It is a brick now. Okay, these things die. Once again, this car is from 1986. I think the production date, I don't even know where it is on this thing. This was, 20, 30, 40 years ago. So we're going to get rid of this one, and I'm going to replace it with this Continental unit right here. Now, I have used this in my W140, which is right back there, and it's a great unit. It has the same color as the displays. It's kind of a yellow color for the lighting, and it doesn't look like it's really out of place. It kind of matches the aesthetics of that car, and I'm thinking it's going to do pretty well in this one too. It's going to fit right in here like this. So I have gone ahead. This is kind of my wiring diagram, and I purchased the Metra wiring kit, which includes everything that we need. But I am having an issue, and that is whoever put the original wire, the original radio in this thing, they didn't even seal it. I don't even know what this thing is for. We're probably trying to get rid of this thing. But the wiring is just wrapped. It's not soldered. It's not connected correctly. So I'm having lots of wires that are coming apart. And today we're going to fix that, and I'm going to see if I can get this radio antenna to work as well. So let me kind of show you what's going on right here, because this is going to be, it's going to be a lot of fun getting everything together here. All right, as you can hear, we have front and rear speakers. Yeah, but, excuse me, before I lose my monetization, this thing right here, usually people bypass by now. This one seemed to kind of work, so I left it in. I'm going to give this a good cleaning. All right, she is a maniac, absolutely. Let me take this part off right here. Look at that. Yes, ma'am, yes, sir. We have a working radio, and it comes out of all four speakers. Love it, love it, love it. We are still working on the antenna. It may be DOA, so we're going to have to figure out what's happening with that. So that is one problem we have solved. And there it is, power off. I received something in the mail just seconds ago. This is the cover for the rear light, which kind of goes right back there. Can you see it? Yeah, the third brake light, when I am trying to back up this car, I can't see out because the light bulb is so doggone bright. So let's go back here. We'll put on this part, super easy. Here we go, and all it does is cover up the light bulb right there. So let me get it out. So here we go. Basically, it just covers this part, and that's the reflective piece right there. I thought I ordered gray. This one seems to be a little brown, but that's okay. And I may have to get some tape because I think my little tabs are broken. So I'll put a little piece of tape here, little piece of tape here, but that'll cover it up. We have another part that was supposed to be delivered via UPS, so let's just kind of see. Somewhere in this box, we have the answer to our problems. Right here, this is so common. These things get brittle, they break. Your light doesn't work in here anymore because these are the kind that are electrified. It's basically one little screw holds it together right there. You put the new one in, and it clips the sun visor, come on Mike, into place. So let's see if we got these in the right. Ha-ha, box. Here's the box. This is so difficult with one hand. Yes. Okay, we got them. Look at that. They are perfect. These two were $8. This is such a common problem on these cars. And some people just don't try to fix it. It costs you $8 to fix. That's both. This is $4 and that's $4. And you're done. Okay, it takes one screw. So easy to put in. There's the screw. You put it through here and you close this little flap because nobody wants to see an unsightly screw. Is that not fantastic? Okay, let's just see if we can do this one-handed. There you go. And it just lives right there. Color seems to be a little off. Maybe there's dark gray and light gray. I didn't see that option. I just saw gray. Well, you don't even see it anyway. Okay, so there you go. Close the flap door, which is not closing. Well, these were made in China, you know. There it is. There we go. Take the old one off. Slide it in. There it is. Not going anywhere. And from my viewpoint, it looks great. Okay, love it, love it, love it. Look, we even put a little microphone in here for our new radio system. So I will get this one out. We'll put the new one in. Then it's time to check our fluids and see how bad it is before we take this to see Mom and Tom. Okay, as far as fluids go, have I changed? I think I've changed the oil on this. So let's just kind of see real quick. See what it looks like. Oh, we could use some. Yeah, but it looks like it's been freshly changed. So I'll put in, maybe half a quart. Let's just see what's going on here. Let go. She's good on coolant. That's fine. What about fluid here? Oh, she's full. Well, that's really good. Okay, so now we'll start her, and I got to get her on level ground, and then we will check the transmission fluid. It's supposed to be warm. We'll get it to which it's just almost warm. Transmission fluid checked. We are good to go to Bartlesville, except for one thing. If I go at night, I can't come back. We're missing, I have removed the instrument cluster because I have no illumination on the instrument cluster. So that's kind of a common issue. That's going to be in the next video. We're going to kind of diagnose what's going on. We're going to show you how they used to do things back in the day. Oh, yeah. And even, look at this. Parts of the instrument cluster are vacuum controlled. This is amazing. Okay. Yeah. So that's some good stuff right there. But anyway, check, 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 check. We've made some good progress. We have cut ourselves. We have tunes. We have an antenna that does not go up and down yet, but we have another video in the can. So thank you very much for watching this video. I know this is an old Mercedes, but that's okay. It was so popular when I first got it, I thought, let's just kind of bring it back from time to time, kind of mix things up, keep things a little spicy here on the channel, and just have some fun because, believe it or not, new kids are finding these cars very, very cool. I actually took this car to get his front wheels aligned today. And it's a young shop owner. He is probably 25, and he thought it was the coolest car ever. And he was really excited about working on it. I told him they had V12s in the next model, the W140, and he was like, really? I bet he finds one and gets one. I hope so, which would be really, really cool for him. But anyway, thank you for watching these videos. We're back with another one on, I don't know, the Maserati. We have the W140 we got to work on. And of course, yes, Janice is coming back. It is finally warming up. We're going to take the engine and the transmission out of one car, put it into Janice, and finally, after probably 5 or 6 years of ownership, get her back on the road. So that'll be a lot of fun there. Ooh, I'm noticing. Ooh, look at that. Yikes. Okay, so we'll do some cleaning when we're in there. But look at the installation of the radio. Isn't that fantastic? That really, really, really looks good. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. We're back with another video very, very soon. Okay, bye-bye.